Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. H equals to negative 16t square, positive 80t, positive 108. The equation above gives the height h in feet of a ball t seconds after it is thrown straight up with an initial velocity 80 feet per second. Which of the following is true for the interval from 3 to 5 seconds? Okay, in the given answer choices, we have some information about the time interval 3 to 5 seconds, and we have to find the one which is true. Okay, now let's consider the given quadratic function we have over here. So when we sketch the graph of a quadratic function, we'll be getting a parabola. We can consider a vertical parabola for this quadratic function. Since the leading coefficient over here is negative, that is the coefficient of t square is negative. So the vertical parabola we get for this quadratic function will open down. So now let me sketch a parabola which opens down. So this is the graph we have for the given quadratic function, and here the vertex is a maximum point. Okay, and also this graph is the path of the ball that is given in the question, and the vertex of this parabola is the maximum point, that is the maximum height reached by the ball. Okay, here the coordinates of this vertex are t comma h. Okay, here t is the time. So the value I get for t at the vertex is the time when the ball reaches the maximum height h. Okay, now to get the t coordinate of the vertex, what we have to do is we have to compare the given quadratic function with f of x equals to ax square positive bx positive c. Actually, this is a quadratic function standard form. Now to get the t coordinate of the vertex, the formula is t equals to negative b over 2a. Okay, t equals to negative b is the coefficient of x. In our quadratic function, the value of b is the coefficient of t. So we can plug in 80 for b 2 times. A is the coefficient of x square. In our quadratic function, the value of a is the coefficient of t square, that is negative 16. Okay, then we get t equals to negative 80 divided by 2 times negative 16 is negative 32. Then this negative will cancel out. I am getting t equals to 2.5. Okay, here I got the t coordinate of the vertex, that is 2.5, and we have that t in seconds. So that is the ball reached the maximum height when t is equal to 2.5. That is in 2.5 seconds the ball reaches the maximum height. So after the time 2.5 seconds, the ball is moving downward. So in this interval 3 to 5 seconds, actually this 3 is greater than this 2.5. So in this time interval 3 to 5 seconds, the ball must be moving downward. Okay, when I go over the given answer choices, in answer choice A, we have the information the ball is moving upward. That is in this time interval 3 to 5 seconds, the ball is moving upward. That's not possible. So because from 0 to 2.5 seconds only the ball is moving upward, and in 2.5 seconds the ball reaches the maximum height, and after 2.5 seconds the ball is moving downward. So in answer choice A and B, we have the information that the ball is moving upward in this time interval. So that's incorrect. So we can reject answer choice A and answer choice B. Okay, in both answer choices C and D, so we have that the ball is moving downward, here downward. So which one is correct? And also we have different speeds in answer choices C and D. In answer choice C, the ball is moving downward with the speed of 48 feet per second. In D, the ball is moving downward with the speed of 96 feet per second. Okay, so here it's very clear. In this time interval, the ball is moving downward. Now we have to find the speed of the ball in this time interval. How do we have to find the speed of the ball? For that, we have to find the average rate of change of the function h in this time interval 3 to 5 seconds. So there is a formula for that one. Okay, now let me write the stuff over here. Average rate of change of the function. Let me write it. So for that, there is a formula is h of 5 negative h of 3 divided by 5 negative 3. That is, we have to find the value of this function h at t is equal to 5 and also t is equal to 3, and we have to get the difference over here in numerator, and we have to find the difference between these two times in denominator. Okay, now we have to get the value of this h when t is equal to 5, and also we have to get the value of this h when t is equal to 3. So to get the values for h of 5 and h of 3, okay, here h of 5 equals to negative 16 times 5 square, positive 80 times 5, positive 108. Okay, here when I evaluate the value of this one using calculator, I am getting 108 for h of 5. Okay, now to get the value of h of 3, we have to plug in t is equal to 3 to the function, given function h, that is h of 3 equals to, we get negative 16 times 3 square, positive 80 times 3, positive 108. So when I evaluate the value of this one, I'm getting 204. Okay, here I got the value of h of 5 and h of 3. Okay, let me plug in over here. Then we get 108 negative 204 divided by 5 negative 3 is 2. When I simplify this one, I'm getting 96 over 2. 96 over 2 is 48. So that is the speed of the ball in this time interval 3 to 5 seconds is 48 feet per second. We find this speed 48 feet per second in answer choice C. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.